many of us have had a great coach? Just even asking the question, most of us usually think back to a sports team when we were younger. Let me ask the question a slightly different way here. How many of us have had a great coach in the business world? A lot fewer of us. Even if you have had a great coach in the business world, sometimes trying to figure out how to emulate that great coach can be a little bit tricky when we try it out. In our coaching workshop, we explore a 5-step coaching model. We talk about some of the pitfalls that coaches fall into again and again, and some of the absolute keys for success. This isn't just a workshop where we're talking at you though. We get you involved so that once you're done with the workshop, you feel confident to be able to use these skills in your next coaching session. In addition, most of our workshops also feature a producer.
Hi, I'm Steph. I'll be taking a look at the chat, I'll be taking a look at your notes, and I'll be helping managing all of the technical stuff behind the scenes.
So reach on out to us if you would like to obtain better skills as a coach and to see better results with your direct reports. We look forward to working with you.